everyone, and welcome back to Hola Adventures in Spanish with Senora Lisa. Now that we have traveled all around the Spanish-speaking world, it's time for us to just do a little focus on Spain. España. Spain in English, but in Spanish, believe it or not, it is España. Now, I'm going to give you just a few facts about Spain, and maybe if you haven't been there already, you'll get to go one day. I'm telling you, if you go to Spain, it's such a fun time. Let me tell you a little bit about this country. Spain, or España, has a capital, of course, y la capital de España es Madrid. The capital of Spain is Madrid. There is more than just Madrid there in Spain. There are other ciudades principales, principal or main cities. You can also go to Valencia or Barcelona, along with a host of other places in Spain to visit and explore. Now, while you're in Spain, I think you're going to need some money. You think you want to take some dollars with you? Well, don't think you're going to get very far if you're taking the dollars from the United States. Instead, you'll need their currency. Does anyone know what it's called? How about you? What about you? Can you tell me? Louder, louder, shout it out. You're right, the euro. The euro is what they use in Spain for their currency. La moneda, the money there in Spain, is the euro. So instead of the dollar bill like we have in the United States, Spain uses euros. If you see how these bills look, it's different than the dollars, but guess what? It spins just the same. You'll have a great time spending your euros while you're in Spain. Let's talk a little bit more about Spain. Can anyone tell me what language they speak in Spain? Yes, yes. You thought that was a trick question. Muy bien, chicos. Excelente. Español. Spanish, of course. Spanish is the language that is spoken. I'm sorry, you guys. Spanish is the language that is spoken in Spain. So while you're there, you'll definitely need to pull your holas out and your adios and mucho gusto. Pleased to meet you. We'll go over some of those phrases that you can use while you're in Spain as well. So what can we do while we're in Spain? Do we just walk around and throw our euros out? Of course not. While you're there, there are so many places for you to go. El Prado Museum. It's a museum, you guys, that is huge. It's filled with all kinds of magical and beautiful and famous art pieces. They're all over the museum. People travel from all over the world just to go to El Prado Museum. You can also go to so many beautiful parks while you're there. You can walk around with your family and friends. You can skip, hop, and jump. It's so much fun. While you're in Spain, they also have a kite festival. Oh my gosh, hundreds of kites are all over the sky. You go to the beach and you see kites that are made of all kinds of colors, large and small, and people fly them during the annual kite festival. You can also go to Carnival. Do you like to dress up? Do you like to pretend that you're someone else from time to time? Well, if so, Carnival is the place for you to go and visit while you're in Spain. It's a huge festival that lasts each year, and when it comes around, it goes on for about 3 weeks at a time. During Carnival, you're able to dress up any way you want. There's music, entertainment, people that are doing all kinds of tricks and activities in the streets. There are games for kids to be involved in. It's a lot of fun. Don't forget, while you're in Spain, not only do you have the Kite Festival and Carnival, you also have the Flower Festival, where there are so many beautiful flowers that bloom each year for you all to walk through, enjoy, and to smell, of course. They smell great. So the next time you're thinking of some place to go, think about Spain. You'll have a great time. When Hola Adventures in Spanish with Senora Lisa returns, we will go through our cultural review. Hasta pronto!